Welcome. If you want to stop Google Chrome from accessing music and audio on your Android phone, you're in the right place. Whether you're looking to boost your privacy, cut distractions, or just want more control over your apps, here's a simple step-by-step guide to prevent Chrome from accessing music and audio on your device. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you can manage all your apps and their permissions. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. On some phones, this might be called App Management or Applications. This section lists every app installed on your phone, so you can control what each one is allowed to do. Now, look for Google Chrome in the list. You might need to scroll a bit, but once you find it, tap on the Chrome icon to open its settings. Inside Chrome's App Info screen, you'll see an option labeled Permissions. Tap on Permissions to view everything Chrome is currently allowed to access, from your camera to your microphone, and of course, music and audio. Here's the key step. Find the permission labeled Music and Audio. Tap on it, and you'll see two options, Allow or Don't Allow. Select Don't Allow. This will stop Chrome from accessing music and audio on your device, preventing websites and web apps from playing sound through Chrome. That's it. You've now blocked Chrome's access to music and audio on your Android phone. If you ever want to reverse this, just follow these steps again and switch the permission back to Allow. Taking control of your app permissions is a great way to customize your experience and protect your privacy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips to make your device work better for you.